Is your LED TV not switching on, showing no picture, or has sound with no display? Don't worry, Ben Jr. Electrical Electronic Services is here to help. We provide professional LED TV repair services for all sizes and all brands. From small screens to big smart TVs, backlight problems, power faults, software errors, HDMI faults. We fix it all, however we don't fix broken screen TVs. With skilled technicians, quality workmanship, and affordable prices, we bring your TV back to life quickly and reliably. Trust the experts who care about your entertainment. Ben Jr. Electrical Electronic. Reliable TV repairs you can count on. Call us today and enjoy clear pictures again.